Hi, hello friends. Welcome everyone to Intrazon, India's largest retail intraday traders online conference. I'm Ashok Devanampriya, the CEO of Traders Gurukul and also co-founder of Stratazon. Finally, I'm also the host for your today's program. It's a great pleasure to invite every one of you to the third edition of this lovely intraday webinar series. I am sure by the end of this program, you will have an extensive knowledge on how to make better decisions in your trading life. Before we kick off the show, I would like to thank our media partner Money Control Pro, the largest financial portal in India with millions of daily readership on their website. They helped us to reach a wider audience to a short period of time. I would also like to thank and appreciate our title sponsor Espresso from the family of Sher Khan, one of the leading stockbrokers in India with millions of investors as their customers. The speaker for today is Mr. Ravi R. Kumar from Gurugram. He's a trading coach. He's a founder of Kubera Group, a full-time stock trader ever since 2008. With almost like 13 years of experience, he has been awarded the best stock market trading coach award in the year 2021. He's going to empower us today with a special topic, how to make huge money in stock market with 3 simple steps. Dear Ravi, on behalf of Traders Gurukul, Money Control Pro, and our title sponsor Espresso, I extend my warm welcome into our program as a speaker. Go ahead, my friend. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you very much. And thanks for a wonderful introduction. Thanks, Money Control and Espresso. I believe that making money into stock market is as easy as making a cup of coffee, but your trade should be 100% process oriented, not profit oriented. And when I use this sentence that your trade should be 100% process oriented, not profit oriented. So how it is possible? Making money into stock market is as easy. People ask one question, Ravi, is it as easy? I say yes. So how it is possible? So today I'm going to talk about that this is possible, and we are going to explain this step by step in 3 simple process. So this session I have designed. First, we will talk about theoretical parts. So first 30 minutes, I'm going to talk about theoretical parts and couple of rules and tools. Then I'm going to implement this on website in 3 steps. And last, whatever question you have in your mind, you can ask your questions. Okay. So why 90% trader lose their entire capital within 90 days of their trading journey? Because they don't know when to enter and where to enter and when to exit and where to exit. So first part contain goal. Life is goal without having a proper goal. I'm not here to talk about goals, but goal is very important to become a successful stock trader. The second one is known as purpose. Purpose defined at what kind of trader you are. So we are going to explain and we are going to learn this step by step right now, right away. Third one is tools. For example, if Sachin Tendulkar is going to play cricket, so it is predefined that ultimate goal is to win the match, and purpose means before entering into the stadium, he knows that what kind of match he has to play, either 2020, either one day, or either test match. And the third one is tools. If he's going to play a test match, he know that he's going to play with bat and ball. But if he's going to play one day, then definitely with bat and ball. But if he's going to play 2020, definitely bat. So rules and tools will never change. Fourth one is pulse analysis. In the 3 simple steps, I'm going to explain what is pulse and how exactly we can implement this on chart. Fifth one is watch list. 90% trader, they just want to double their money in a single day and they don't know in which stock they have to trade or invest. So this will be the first part. And the second part we will talk about that who is making huge money into stock market. My topic contain only 2 PPT slides. This is my last PPT slide. Rest I will show you in practical. So who is making huge money into stock market? Definitely professionals are making huge money into stock market. So who are the professionals and how to follow the professionals, FII and DII? We will teach you in 2 simple steps that in a stock selection, how we can select professionals, and the second we will teach you in 2 simple steps that how exactly we are going to talk about in demand and supply, and how we are going to follow professional, that when to buy and where to buy, and when to sell and where to sell. Second topic is price action trading. Whatever we are going to learn. I am not a news action trader. I'm a price action trader, and on the basis of price action trading, we are going to talk about sets, SCTS, stop loss, entry, target, and sizing. Fourth one is demand and supply, when to buy and where to buy, and when to sell and where to sell. And last but not least is set and forget trader style. So how exactly we can make money without sitting in front of our system. So this is known as set and forget trader style. So let me share my screen with you, and let's start the topic for the day. So this entire session is known as, this is the first part of the session. So plan your trade and trade your plan. When we are talking about plan your trade and trade your plan, so how exactly we can plan our trade? Before entering into the market, what exactly I'm going to share my life experience, what exactly I have done for myself in my entire trading journey in last 14 years. So I'm going to just share my experience with you, nothing else. So how to plan a trade? The first one is goal. Life is goal without having a proper goal. 90% traders jump into stock market and they think they can double their money in a single day, and they lose. Why? Because in a stock market, your trade should be a specific, that how much you have to make. When I had started my trading journey with the help of my Gurudev, and he taught me the first 90 days you have to protect your capital. So first 90 days, your job is to protect your capital. This is whatever figure I'm going to give you. This is my actual figure when I had started my trading journey. So first 90 days, your goal is to protect your capital. You don't have to goal that I want to double my money in a single day or 10 days or 20 days. First, you have to learn the art that how to protect capital, because when you will learn that you are a pro trader, and that time if you don't have money, you will feel that, oh, I lose my money when I didn't know about stock trading. 90 days to 120 days, you have to become a consistent winner of 5%. How? I will explain in next few steps. And 120 days means up to 6 months you can make 10% per month. This is very easy. Normally bank offers 5% per annum, but we can make 10% per month. And one up to 1 year, your target should be that I'll make 15% consistent income, and this is possible in terms of equity market. And whatever I'm going to talk about, you can apply this on commodity, you can apply this on crypto, you can apply this on forex market, you can apply this wherever you want, international equity. So this rules is applicable everywhere. And I'm basically uh, on the basis of forex, and I trade into commodity market, and I'm equity trader. So I trade into equity and commodity both. So after goal, we have to understand what kind of trader you are. Purpose means on the same cricket ground with the same bat and ball, you have to define that how your strategy will work. Means purpose define what kind of trader we are. On the basis of fundamental, mental, and technical analysis, it should be predefined that if I am entering into stock market, in how much time either I will book my profit or either I will book my stop loss. This should be predefined. If it is not predefined, there is something wrong. So purpose define what kind of trader we are. So on the basis of fundamental, technical, and mental analysis, we have classified that there are three type of trader. First one is known as positional. Positional is known as monthly trader. Means if you have entered into a stock market, means you are willing that I will get my target within a month. So professional is known as monthly trader. So whatever pulse analysis tools I'm going to uh, uh, teach you right now, just after 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to apply in monthly chart. The second is swing. I'm a swing trader. I believe that swing is king, and swing is known as a weekly trader. So if you are a swing trader, you will apply pulse analysis technique on weekly chart. And the third one is intraday. So there are three types of intraday trader. First one is daily, second is hourly, and third one is aggressive. So if you are a daily trader, you will apply this on daily chart. If you are an aggressive trader, you will apply this on 15-minute chart. And if you are an hourly trader, you will apply this on 75-minute chart. So this is just purpose, but just with define the purpose, we can't become a successful. So there is one question is to come in our mind: why 1 hour is equal to 75 minutes? So there is a solution for that, because market open at 9:15 and closes at 3:30 p.m. So the total market timing is 375 minutes. And whatever I'm going to talk about, I'm going to discuss and I'm going to explain this thing step by step in candlestick chart. So 375 divided by 60 means 6 equal candle and one candle of 75 minutes. So 375 divided by 75 is equal to 5 hour, means one day equal to 5 hour or 5 equal candle, 1 week equal to 5 equal day or 5 equal candle, and 1 month equal to 4.5 or 5 equal week or 5 equal candle. So let's move to the topic. After purpose, in my entire session, this entire session, we are going to talk in three simple steps. And what are the three simple steps? In these three simple, there's a lot of things contained. The first step is known as pulse. Pulse. The second step is known as trend, and the third step is known as demand zone and supply zone. Means pulse, trend, zone. Pulse, trend, zone. These are three simple steps which one we are going to discuss in this entire session. So topic number 3: 90% trader, when they jump into market, they are looking for some holy grail strategy that if I will use this strategy, we will make money. Whatever strategy I'm sharing with you, this is with this strategy we have made money and I'm a trader. So tools, in my entire journey, I have never ever anything beyond this. First tools is EMA 2050. EMA 2050 within 3 seconds. If you will apply EMA 2050, it will give you the direction of the market. Within 3 seconds, that market will go up or market will go down, not the decision. The second one is ATR. ATR will give you range. If market is going up, either Nifty will go 2000 point up today or 200 point up today, ATR will give you the complete range. An unfilled order candle will help you out to understand that when to enter and where to enter, and when to exit and where to exit. So these are the three tools we are going to discuss, and we are going to explain everything in depth. So step number 4, pulse analysis. What pulse analysis is all about? Pulse analysis is a technique by which we can understand within 3 seconds that market will go up or market will go down. I can explain this pulse analysis on any market anywhere on the planet, either in Indian market, American, Japanese, Chinese, cryptocurrency, forex, uh, commodity, MCX, CME, wherever you want. But more or less, I'm going to take examples from Indian market. So pulse analysis is a technique by which we can understand within 3 seconds that market will go up or market will go down. So apply EMA 20 and 50 on chart. I'm going to use TradingView free version. So wherever you want to apply, you can apply. Rules and tools, whatever rules and tools you want to apply, you can apply. So I'm going to use tradingview.com free version. So this is tradingview.com. In this tradingview.com, for your kind information, for your kind information means people think that do I need to go for expensive tools and things? I don't know. So here, for example, if I'm going to talk about any specific stocks, like if I'm going to talk about ICICI Bank, or if I'm going to talk about State Bank of India, this is the chart of State Bank of India. Wherever you want to apply, you can go and apply, and it should be predefined at what kind of trader you are. Means what kind of trader you are. So this is your candlestick chart. I'm going to use candlesticks, not hollow candles, not bar candles, not column, not line, not area. Why we do use candles? Because the candles contain OHLC, open, high, low, and close. And over here, apply EMA 20 and 50 on chart. If you'll move over here, and this is moving average exponential ribbon, move over here. So 20 and 50, apply 20 and 50. We don't need 25, we don't need so apply 20 and 50 on chart. For visual approach, I'm making the color of EMA 20 is blue and EMA 50 is by default it is red. So this is for the visual approach. That's all. So we have applied EMA 20 and 50. You can see we have applied EMA 20 and 50 on chart. So when you will apply EMA 20 and 50 on chart, so there are two rules. If candle will close in green after positive crossover, look for long, and if candle will close in red after negative crossover, look for short. What is positive crossover and what is negative crossover? What is positive crossover or what is negative crossover? So for example, first we have to understand the positive crossover. First, we will understand positive and negative. This is your EMA. This is your EMA 50. EMA 50 color will be into red. And if EMA 20, if EMA 20 will cross EMA 50, if EMA 20 will cross EMA 50 and it will go up, it will go up. So this crossover is known as positive crossover. So after positive crossover, if candle will close into green color, either first candle, either second candle, so we will get a clear direction. We will get